Hi everyone. So in this particular video, we'll be adding some WPS and documents to our project. WPS is nothing but your work products. See, every project has some documents, like it can have some contract document, some bid document, it can have some drawings, some specifications, some approved makes, some purchase orders, work orders, maybe even you can have some drone shoots like videos, photography and all. So all these documents and work products you can add into your Primavera also as a kind of gallery, I would say. So how to do that? See, first of all, you have to go to your directory and you can just click this WPS and documents, this particular button. So after that, WPS and documents window will open. Okay, so now what you have to do is you can either right click in the blank area and you can click on this add button, or you can use the insert key from your keyboard. Also, other option is you can click on this particular plus button in the commands bar and you can add a new document. Okay, so you have to name your document. For example, let us say we'll be adding, let us say, some claim letter, variation claim letter. Okay, variation claim letter. Okay, now you can give the reference number also. Like if you have some reference number, let us say the reference number is DC0011. What is the status, whether this particular variation claim that you are raising, whether this is approved, this is completed, in progress, on hold, rejected, under review. So we will say that it is not started. So what is the category of this particular document? See, several categories are already mentioned in Primavera, predefined in Primavera, like it is a change order, it is contracts, drawing, general document. So let us say it is a change order. So we will select this. If you want to add some category of your own, what you can do is you can go to admin categories. Then here you can go to document categories and you can add a category of your own that you want. See, change order is already there, but if you want to add your own category, you can add here. Similarly, if you want to add the document status also, like approved, completed, all this was already there. But if you want to add your own status that you want, then you can add from here also. But most of the categories and statuses are already available that you see. Now in the detailed view, in the general, you can change these things only. Okay, then you can also choose a revision date for this, if it's applicable at all. So we will choose some revision date randomly. Then description, you can give the description about the variation claim, what your variation claim is all about. You can mention by clicking on the modify button, and you can mention here whatever you want, and you can click on OK. Then you can attach some files also. You can browse from your PC and you can attach files from some private location if you have a public location, and you can launch that particular file. Okay, some assignments you can add, like you can assign some particular WBS to it. Like suppose if you have some particular WBS which is associated with this particular variation claim, then you can assign the WBS. If some particular activity is associated, suppose for example we'll go to the activities. Let us say it is not a let us say for your brickwork, your brick make has been changed from particular make XYZ to ABC. Earlier it was recommended by the client to use the brick which is XYZ company, but now the client has told instead of using XYZ you need to use ABC. So this is your variation claim that you are raising. So you need to assign the this particular activity here. So we will click on assign activity and we will assign brickwork. Okay, brickwork is already selected. We'll click on assign. So this activity has now been assigned. Okay, we can choose the work product also. So this is how you can assign the activity or the WBS also. Suppose if you want to assign the complete WBS, then you can go for assigning the complete WBS also. Okay, so this is how we can upload some documents and some work products related to your project. I hope this thing was clear to you. So that's all for this video. Thank you everyone.